How to use Google AI Studio for text AI. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Google AI Studio for text. In order to use Google AI Studio for text-based tasks, sign in with a Google account on the Google AI Studio website. So this platform allows experimenting with Google's Gemini models for tasks like summarizing and drafting content. So what you want to do is, first thing first, use this for conversation. That means the chat prompt, right? So open up your aistudio.google.com. And next, you just want to go ahead and use this for conversation. That means chat prompt. You can use this for consistent tasks, provide an input output as well. That is structured prompt as well. You could, if you want to define the system instruction, set the model's persona in a system instruction field. This controls the output tone and constraints as well. Then you could configure the model settings. That means select the model and adjust settings like temperature or lower temperature, provide consistency with the higher, and allows for a creative as well. Now you just want to type a request and click on the run to generate the response. So here you have a prompt section. You just want to go ahead and look, you just want to go ahead and enter in. You want to now you want to go with the advanced text feature as well. You could just go ahead and run the prompt, and that's how you'll be able to generate text AI on your Google AI Studio. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.